Presenting TECNO Spark 9 4G smartphone. It is available in Infinity Black color variant. Designed for effective performance with 4GB LPDDR4X plus 3GB virtual RAM. Store your files and photos with the help of memory 64GB ROM. Experience vibrant visuals with its 6.6-inch HD plus dot-notch display. It features 90Hz refresh rate, 269 ppi pixel density for richer colors and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Now let us look at its 13MP rear dual camera and dual flashlight and 8MP selfie camera with front flash to help you capture your moments. You can shoot using its portrait, HDR, smile shot, AI scene detection and more. Shoot videos in time-lapse, slow motion and video bokeh videos. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Helio G37 gaming processor, HiOS 8.6 based on Android 12 for a smooth experience. Experience best battery life with 5000 mAh battery which provides up to 30 days long standby. The box includes smartphone, power adapter, USB cable, TPU cover and SIM ejector.